Now this one, stock number J235558, has a JKS 3.5-inch lift, Fab Fours stubby front bumper, rough country 9,500 pound winch with the blue synthetic line. Of course, it's a 4xe. Again, we got the Fox pass-through shock. That way you've got no resistance either direction. Adjustable track bar to dial in that front axle. Heavy-duty coils with the Fox 2.0 Performance Series shocks. But this one, we got something a little special. Brand new fuel wheel. Just hit the market. Wrapped in our favorite TOYO MT Open Country. Got the NFAB Predator steps, again, personal favorite. But this one, we've got an extra special treat for you too. We went and got a custom leather job on this one through Katzkin. So warranted Mopar genuine leather. This 4XE's got remote start, dual climate, heated seats, steering wheel, garage door opener, even has Wi-Fi in it. Alpine premium sound system. So you're really not losing anything and you're getting a great value with this build. Look at how nice those seats are, real nice and plush too. Got the blue stitching in there. Got the bronze to go with the wheel. Got the rugged ridge tire carrier. That way you can go up to a 37 later on. Let's check this out. Look at that, look at how nice it opens and closes with that 35 on there. Perfect. Alpine stereo system, even comes with the grab handles when you purchase it. Come on down to Courtesy Jeep in Mesa. Come put this dream in your driveway today. Ask for stock number J235558.